Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to draw a Mandarinfish. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, your markers. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and to get right into this video.
Alright, for our Mandarinfish, we're going to draw a circle right here for the eye. Not that big. A little smaller with a circle inside and then another circle, then another circle. And then right here, we're going to draw an outline around it that goes all the way up here and down, kind of like an egg. Then a line right here. Then a little tiny mouth. Then a line there. And then continue the line. It goes all the way to here. And then just keeps going to here. Makes like a weird blobby curve shape and goes all the way to here. Then right here we're going to draw a squiggly line right here with a bump, with a bunch of these like repeating bumps right here until you just continue that kind of like I don't know, kind of like you see like coral kinda if you really look at it. It's kind of like this. Yeah. Then we're going to draw one of the fins right here, and then towards right here, they're going to get like a little spiky, then to normal, and then same thing right here. Then we're going to draw a fin that's really spiky, and then gets a little bumpy right here. A line that goes all the way up to here, goes down, 2 bumps, then goes down again. Then not that big. Then a line with a squiggly line and then a curve right here. Then another big fin right here for like the tail. Okay, now time for detail. My least favorite part. So we're gonna draw a ring around the eye. And we're gonna draw a line right here. Another one that goes around. And then a line, 2 lines right here that go into like a weird blob with more blobs in it. Another line right here. And then one that kind of goes into like a Y shape. Then a big curvy one, and then goes right here. Wrong. It's gonna go that way. A blob right here that goes with the fin. Another one right here. Blob right there. Another one that kind of had it's in the one and then it splits 3 ways. And then skinny one and then it gets a little fatter than just a blob right there. Blob, bigger blob, way bigger blob. Then you could draw a squiggly line on top of here, then a line. And then right here just draw a big line. Then here we're going to draw a squiggly line, and another line, and draw lines in it, like this. Draw a line. No, another blob right here, and then blob right there. We're not done with the blobs. A line, spike, squiggly line, blob, spike, line. So yeah, that's gonna be the sketch of the Mandarinfish. So let's get to outlining and coloring. Okay, so colors you're gonna need is gonna be definitely a blue. So you're gonna need 2 blues for that. Let me try out these 2 colors. 2 teal colors. 2 yellows. 2 oranges. Wait. What else? What? I think that's it. I'll pause the video just in case if like I don't have all the colors, but I'm pretty sure that I do. So yeah, let's get coloring and outlining. Ka-chow! And that's how you draw your Mandarinfish. I'm so sorry, I forgot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.